everyone, it's Rachel here. So today we are just doing a lot of these sorts of random videos. I'm super excited because I put my husband to work today. Yes, Steffi?
Hello.
He's a bit embarrassed. He doesn't want to speak on the camera, but he might. Anyway, I've made I started this morning, but then Stef took over, and we've done a beautiful Italian pack, a paper pack. And what we have used are a lot of my photographs that Steph has been able to make them look like they're were they watercolor or acrylic?
Acrylic,
Like acrylic painted images, if you know what I mean. So he took the photograph and he made them look like they were an acrylic painting. And so I started playing around a little bit this morning because he's been doing it for a while, and I just felt like having a go this morning. So I created this page with some ledger paper and this just a detail from an old book from the New York Public Library, and then this is one of my photos, and I absolutely love that. So that one I did, and then these are what my husband has created, and I just love them. So with this one, this is a beautiful image of a photograph that I took in Chianti, and then a doorway that we took in Chianti as well. And so Steph was inspired to put them together, and then he put sort of olive branches, because is that correct? Are they olive branches?
Yes,
Olive branches, because when we think of Chianti, you think of wine and also a lot of olive trees as well. And there's a beautiful antique embroidery behind, and then these the script that you can just see there, is that from your mum's ledgers?
Yeah.
The antique ledgers that she had. So that's that one. And in this kit there's going to be 9 pages. One page it's double just because we couldn't decide which we liked best. Okay, so this is absolutely gorgeous. I was so impressed that my husband was able to do something like that. He says I embarrass him, but it's true. Look at it, it's a collage page. It's just gorgeous. And so this is a photograph that I took in Venice that he's made it a bit more like it was painted. And then a gondola here. Oh, I just love it. And a bit of this is an embroidery pattern. And then this is a beautiful it was a fabric sample book and a little piece of lace. And Steph told me that he's different. I just slap things together without even thinking about it. And Steph's like, oh, well, I put this here because, this is Venice and this reminds me of Venice. And then this reminded me of Venice. And so, I think that's really cool. Absolutely love that. Love the colors. And then, oh my gosh, look at this one. This is just to die for. I can't remember what you told me.
This is a Roman door.
A Roman door.
And so I put some details even of architecture of Roman, kind of a capitelli and columns.
Yeah. And then this was from an antique Italian book. I think it was an ornamental book. And then just a bit of a embroidery there, and then a terrace as well. So I'm in love with that one. They're almost like I just have to put them up on the wall and look at them. Oh, and look at this one. Okay, what was your inspiration with this one, Steffi? I can't remember. Roman?
Again? Roman
no, you told me something about this one. It reminded you, of Rome or something?
Roman doors, but it's not a Roman door.
It's Urbino. It was a photograph I took when my sis was here. She'll recognize it. And it was snowing, so you can see the snow. And again, Steph made it look like it has been painted. And this is I think I took that one in Venice, actually. But you could see that kind of thing anywhere, really. They do those sorts of windows, don't they, around the place?
Yeah.
And then this is a beautiful antique book when someone in the 1800s or 1700s went to Herculaneum and documented. I think it might have been the 1800s, and they documented what they saw. And this is from one of my old antique books. Is that correct, Steph?
Yes.
Yeah, it looks like it. So I think that's beautiful. It was my idea to put the flower, wasn't it?
Yeah,
I like the flower.
Just
to add a bit of colour. And then, look at this. So I had a go at this and I made a big mess. And so Steph has basically kept my 2 elements, removed all of the other mess that I made, And this is what he's come up with, and isn't it gorgeous? I just love it. So this was this gorgeous seagull that was just when we were at Castel Sant'Angelo with my sister and my nephew. He was just looking at us, and so Stef again has made my photograph look like it's been painted. And these are typical Roman colours here. I just love that. Where did I take that photograph, Steffi? In Urbino?
Yeah, it's always in
We were
Urbino.
looking for a Roman door, but I mean, really, you could see a door like that in Rome too. But it probably on that building you were saying would have a different type of door.
Yeah.
But we didn't have one that we really liked. That we liked the colours here, so we kept that door. And Steph's put this beautiful antique lace behind. This was from the Graphics Fairy. It's one of the Graphics Fairy images. It had a bit more to it, but he's able to remove details and just have the details. And then this is also an antique embroidery book about, it's an embroidery book about, I think it's telling the noble women what type of embroidery they had to do. It's in Italian, and it's from the Met Museum. And then Steffi's put this beautiful border around it as well. I just love these. Oh, okay. And then here, this was a photograph I took in Tuscany, which I absolutely love, and he's made it again like a painting. He's put some embroidery patterns here. This was also taken at the same place, again all made to look like it's been painted. And then this is from the person, this is one of the drawings, the antique drawings from Herculum again. So I just thought that's really lovely. So you've got lots of layers, and again there's you can only just see it's a subtle border around the edge, which is really great. And then this one I did, I might have taken that photograph in Florence, but you can see the fleur-de-lis in many places. It just has maybe a slightly different design. This was another photograph that I took, and they've both been made to look like they've been painted. Beautiful old bookend underneath from the New York Public Library, one of my antique letters, and some of my scanned doily, coffee dyed doily in the background. Now we didn't know which one we liked the best out of these, so I'm going to give you them both, and then you can decide what you like the best. So maybe smaller or bigger, I don't know. So yeah, it's just if I can't make up my mind, I give both. So that's the kit. So I'll just quickly show you again. I'm super excited about this. It's really, really, really very Italian. I just love it. And I got to tell you, I think, Steffi, you are the best person to do these architectural sort of Italian kits, don't you think? Because
I don't know.
you don't know. Because no, I think so, because I don't know, you understand the architecture better than me. Yeah. And you're getting a feel for what I like, the sorts of things, like I love fabrics and textures, and I'm really impressed that you're having a go and playing around with all the things that I like. I think that's amazing. So yeah, really cute. So that's our new kit, and we're super excited about it. Now we're thinking about and this, you can thank my husband for this, because he's insisting that I put together a kit with, what are they, PNGs or JPEGs? JPEGs.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is, we've got lots of architectural elements like these that I might do some collage pages, and Steph was thinking it might be fun for you guys, like they can be an add-on, or maybe I'll get onto it tomorrow, but they could be an add-on to this, that you can cut them out and do collaging. So maybe I'll create a PDF and then make JPEG pages as well for who prefers to print JPEGs, and they'll be all in different sizes, so you can cut them out and do some collaging with them. That could be fun as well. So I'll have a go at that. If I don't do it, it's because it didn't turn out well, but I think it will. So thank you for watching and listening, and I will see you soon. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you.